Yo, 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 Zerex is in the house, and today is Wednesday, also known as Gaming Wednesday. So, today we are playing Higher or Lower, again. Yes, looking at the video, this is what we get. It's either a Clockwork Orange or a penis. Not gonna lie to you, why the hell has that penis got like a fucking mullet? Anyway, moving on from that, we are going to be having an update. By that, I mean, well, actually that's a lie, it's not really an update. The reason I'm not, I don't know how I'm going to word this. I think the best thing to do is, when I do my YouTube videos, I've got to try and make it better. But unfortunately, I can't make it the best that I want it to be. The reason being is because I'm not one of these people who's got a fancy computer who can do all this editing software and everything like that. So I understand why I'm not getting many views, and my content is quite crap, I do admit. I don't know how I'm going to make it better, but I don't want to quit because I like doing this. So I just really would appreciate if lots of people would watch this video and like it, comment on it, or everything. Anyway, moving back onto the video. So today we're playing Higher or Lower. And yeah, this is really disturbing me. So it's between a Clockwork Orange and a penis. To be honest with you, I think people might have searched penis more than a Clockwork Orange. But yeah, I don't know why, but okay. So a penis or Mad Max? Oh dear, I'm sorry, that is just disturbing. I mean, if it's something else, I'll be happy, but that is just disturbing. I think Mad Max would probably be higher than penis because of the films. Shit. Okay, let's play again. So, DuckDuckGo is 2,740,000. A coffee shop. I think that will be lower. Wow. I didn't expect it to be that low, to be honest. Coffee shop or reggae? I'm gonna say coffee shop. Oh, just. Reggae or ABBA? ABBA, because it's the songs. Oh, that's close. ABBA or Albert Einstein? I'm gonna go for Albert Einstein. Thank you. Albert Einstein or the pH scale? I'm gonna go for the pH scale because when people do, like, if they do subjects about the pH scale of where such and such is, like vinegar for example, they look at it thinking, oh, it's about 3. So I'm gonna go pH scale. And I hate myself. Let's play again. So Emmanuel Macron, never heard of him, versus Royal Canin. Royal Canin is a really good brand that it sells dog food and cat food and other food. So obviously Royal Canin is going to be higher. What? That's my face right now. That's what my reaction is. I would honestly think people would search more about Royal Canin than him because of all the ingredients they've got in Royal Canin. Powerball, which is an American version of the lottery, because in England we call it Thunderball. Groupon, higher. Way higher. Groupon or Hinduism? Groupon will be a lot bigger. Yep. Hinduism or Toyota? Now Toyota because it's a car brand. What? Toyota or currency converter? Ooh. I'm gonna guess that one's gonna be lower. Same. 50 Shades of Grey. Higher. No. I'm gonna see if I can try and get 5. Let's try and get 5. E-cigarettes or Boston Celtics? Boston Celtics. I don't know what they are, but okay. Boston Celtics or the Inglourious Bastards? I'm gonna go for the Boston Celtics. Yeah. Inglourious Bastards or Lost? I think it'll be Lost because they've had more series into Lost than Inglourious Bastards. Yeah. Lost or Gareth Bale? Gareth Bale. Oh, he'll be higher. So, Gareth Bale or the Carolina Panthers? Carolina Panthers. Oh, okay, it's the same. Carolina Panthers or the 20th Century Fox? 20th Century Fox. No. Okay, so I've got 5. I'll do another one and then I'm going to end the video. So, Cher or the BBC? BBC. All the way. BBC or Vandalism? It'll be BBC. Vandalism or the Supremes? I'm gonna go for the Supremes. No, alright. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to ZRX and I'll see you again in the next video.